ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಸರ್ನ ಆನಂದ್ ಸರಿಗೆ.
ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ, ಸರ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಬಂದ್ರು.
ಓಕೆಪಾ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
Good afternoon. My topic is health monitoring system for elderly and disabled people. A great demand of the modern earth is to get everything within a very short time. At present situation, people want to realize their current health condition and also want proper care rapidly. But older and disabled people are very incapable without someone's help. They have to face so many difficulties to inform someone about their health condition. To solve this problem, a smart and automobile system has been proposed. It is important for every person in the world to keep their health secured from every possible danger. Because of the physical weakness, the elderly and disabled people need something that helps them to monitor every second. So this proposed system monitors the heart rate and body temperature. There is also a fault detection system. So if there is any problem, the system sends an automatic notification to the caretaker. Literature survey. The first paper referred is an enhanced fault detection system for elderly person and monitoring using GSM and GPS. This paper was published in the year 2018 by Bodle and Kulkarni. In this paper, an enhanced fault detection system is proposed for elderly person monitoring that is based on smart sensors worn on the body. By considering some threshold, accidental faults can be detected in the home healthcare environment. By utilizing the information gathered from accelerometer, cardiotachometer, and some smart sensors, the impact of the fall can be distinguished from normal daily activities. Accelerometer is a device that is used for axis-based motion sensing, and cardiotachometer is a device for graphical recording of the heartbeat. From a test group of 30 healthy participants, it was found that the proposed fall, uh, fall detection system can achieve a high detection accuracy of 97.5%. Therefore, this system can be reliably developed and deployed into customer product for use as an elderly person monitoring device with high accuracy and a low false positive rate. This system's core structure is based on microprogrammed controller unit. The accelerometer sensor is complemented by other smart sensors including temperature and humidity sensors, all integrated on one single board. This is about the first paper. The next paper referred is Development of Elderly Healthcare Model. Yeah. The next paper referred is Development of Elderly Healthcare Monitoring System with IoT. This paper was published in the year 2018. Stroke is a brain attack caused by the sudden disturbance of blood supply to that area. In recent years, even though the number of stroke-related deaths are decreasing, the incidence of stroke are increasing, and the incidence increase with age. The chances of surviving are much higher if the elderly person gets emergency medical assistance within a few hours of occurrence. Okay. The primary objective of this research is successful detection and generation of alarms in case of stroke, which allows timely delivery of medical assistance. In this system, several parameters like blood pressure, body temperature, pulse rate, heart rate, blood sugar level, etc. are very important to track the health status. Specialized sensors are equipped with a wearable device With the use of IoT, wearable healthcare devices collect and share the information effectively in the database system with the patients and also with the medical personnel to make it feasible and also make the communication faster. The next paper referred is IoT Patient Health Monitoring System. This paper was published in the year 2017. The main aim is to build a system fit for observing vital body signs like body temperature, heart rate, pulse, etc. The system is additionally equipped for fall detection and sleep pattern analysis. This system involves many sensors. The system continuously monitors patients' vital signs and abnormalities. The monitored data is delivered to the medical staff. Upon encountering the abnormalities, the system alerts the medical staff about the abnormalities that has occurred. These are the papers that I've referred. Now let us see the architecture of the system. Here we are making use of microcontroller. Microcontrollers use network interfaces to interact with the other devices locally and to push the data to the IoT application for any analysis. Microcontrollers are a tiny self-contained computers hosted on a microchip. They enable connectivity and control in all the things which could be connected to the internet. Microcontrollers are designed to perform specific functions and they can be integrated into almost anything. Different sensors like heartbeat sensor, temperature sensor, accelerometer are used as input to the Arduino. These types of sensors are used for monitoring the primary health condition of the elderly and disabled people. GSM is used to send the SMS signal. GSM means Global System for Mobile Communication, and it is a digital mobile network that is widely used by the mobile phone users. We should insert a SIM card into the SIM pocket of the GSM module. The GSM module requires power to establish the connection and for its operation. In this device, whenever the switch is pressed, a text message will be sent to the number specified in the code. When the push button is pressed, the Arduino sends the AT commands to the GSM module. The GSM module works with the AT commands. AT commands are the instructions used to control the model. The LCD screen is placed to see the data of these signals. Among the three sensors, temperature sensor and heart rate sensors are connected to the microcontroller's analog pin. LCD has been connected to the microcontroller to show the sensor data. The accelerometer has been connected to the system for fall detection. The GSM module is connected with some preset value. If the value exceeds, that means the patient is sick or is in danger. That is when an SMS is sent to the caretaker, and here the mobile phone is used as a receiving device. Now let us see the implementation. First, the temperature measurement. A thermocouple MAX 6675 sensor is the temperature sensor used here. This sensor circuit consists of two metal joined together to form two junctions of different temperatures. The body of the unknown temperature is connected to one of the junctions of the circuit known as the hot junction. Another body whose temperature is known is connected to another junction known as the reference junction, and thus we can measure the temperature of the unknown temperature of the body. The reason for using this sensor is it gives high accuracy and it is low cost, it is reliable and wide operating temperature range. So from this temperature sensor, analog signal is received by the Arduino and it is converted into a digital signal, and LCD shows all the data. Programmable code is loaded to the Arduino and to run the sensor. For different temperature, the display shows the different values. Next is the heartbeat measurement. Here, the key 039 is the heartbeat sensor used with Arduino to measure the blood pressure of the human body. This sensor is designed to detect a pulse while a human finger is placed between the infrared diode and phototransistor. Phototransistors are used to detect the light pulses and convert them into digital electrical signals. These are operated by light, whereas infrared diode emits infrared rays. When the pulse is detected, that pulse will be represented on the signal output pin. This sensor works by using a phototransistor to detect the presence of light. In case how many light is passing through the finger. When blood moves, the amount of light changes, and that change can be detected as a pulse. The LCD is used to show the blood pressure value. For this sensor, value between 65 to 90 is indicated as normal blood pressure, and the value less than 65 is referred as low blood pressure, and above 90 as high pressure. Next is fall detection. An accelerometer sensor named ADXL335 is used to detect the unintentional fall. This sensor works on the principle of piezoelectric effect. Whenever we will tilt the sensor, the ball is supposed to move in the direction because of the gravitational force. The balls are made up of piezoelectric elements. So every time the ball is touching the wall, an electric current will be produced which will be interpreted in the form of values in any 3D space. ADXL335 is a triple axis accelerometer, that is, it will give three values as in output. When three axis value changes by the fall, GSM sends the notification. When the axis values are as shown in the left LCD, it means that the patient has fallen down because the axis values have changed. In the final model, all the sensors are combined with the microcontroller and adjusted by a handband. We can see that the three sensors are connected to the Arduino, and the LCD and GSM module is also connected to Arduino. This is the final model. The advantages of this system are it will help to monitor the primary health conditions of elderly and disabled people, and it will also ensure the safety of elderly and disabled people. It is lightweight and thus it is easy to carry. This system uses small amount of energy, so it is less power consuming device. This system is also cost efficient. Now let us see the result analysis. Here, the table shows the comparative data of temperature measurement, the data taken by the project sensor and usual thermometer in different conditions and different body places. The first column shows the sensor placement and condition. The second column shows the value of the project. The last column shows the temperature value measured by the usual thermometer. Here we can see that the difference is very small. The next table here shows the comparative data, the pulse rate. The data has been taken by the heart rate sensor of the project and the digital blood pressure machine. We can observe that there is not much difference here too. The last table shows the accelerometer value for fall detection. The values are initially fixed for the normal condition. Then the value of the different axes is set for fall condition. When the accelerometer value crosses the preset value, it means the fall has occurred. The first row shows the normal condition, which is a preset, and the next two rows shows an example for the fallen condition. The main purpose of this system was making life easier and self-dependence of elderly and disabled people. Another purpose was producing them rapid support at the time of bad condition and primary health hazard. So this system has fulfilled the goal completely. So when compared to cost and efficiency, this system can be a good peer of the old and disabled people's life. These are the papers that I have referred. Thank you. Ma'am?
ಅನುಷಾ,
Yes, ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್,
Yes, ma'am.
ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಸ್ ನ?
Ma'am?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರತ್ತೆ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದೆ.
ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡಿನೋಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ BP ಏನೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ವೆಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಇದು ಏನು ಶುಗರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅವಾಗ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಡ್ರಾಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ದು.
ಈಗ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್
Yes,
ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್
ma'am.
ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಏನೋ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಾ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ
ಬಾಡಿ
ಒಂದು
ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನೀವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರುನು?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಟಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಥರ್ಮೋಮೀಟರೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮೌತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೀವರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಅದು ಇದು ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನಾವು ಥರ್ಮೋಮೀಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಆಗ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ?
ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಫುಲ್ 100% ಅಕ್ಯುರಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 90 to 95% ಅಕ್ಯುರಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂನು ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ 99.8 ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಬಟ್ 90 ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, 92 94
ಹೌದು,
ತುಂಬಾ
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್
ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಥ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 100% ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಫ್ಯೂ ಡ್ರಾಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಅಕ್ಯುರಸಿ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಅದು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದೇ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 1500 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಕೇಳುವ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. ನಂದೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾಲ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಲೆರೋಮೀಟರ್ ಸರ್.
ಫಾಲ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಡಿಸೈಡ್? ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಗಳು XYZ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಆಕ್ಸಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ XY
XYZ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್.
If a person is standing, assume that he will bend towards the floor. Whether it will be considered as a fall?
ನೋ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಇದು ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಥವಾ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅದು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್, ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಆ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಬಿದ್ದಿದಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸರ್. ಈಗ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ
Accelerometer will also track about vibrations.
ಯಾ.
ಹೌದಾ
ಸರ್?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. I had read about that.
Okay. Only 3 sensors: temperature, accelerometer, then
Heartbeat sensor.
what else? Blood, heartbeat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Ma'am?
ಓಕೆ ಅಪ್ಪ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 2 ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
Okay, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Okay, ma'am.
ಆನಂದ್ ಸರ್, ನಾಳೆ ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ 10 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಸರ್